So here at the Regenerators, we have some pretty awesome and exciting news. We have just launched a free Regen Learning Hub, free with 100 cross-curriculum lessons for all age groups and all year levels. It's for teachers, it's for parents, it's for community groups, it's for your neighbour, it's for your climate dubious uncle, if you want it to be. And we've worked with curriculum experts to really shape the best planet-saving regenerative ideas that can easily be adapted and used in the classroom. It covers topics like the future of energy and transport and food. It covers urban food farming. It covers regenerative design. It covers nature-based solutions and so many more. There's 100 of them. And we really feel that this is the learning that's required if we are going to give and create a better future for all living things. And from the feedback that we regularly receive, it's exactly the type of learning that students want more of in the classroom. So please dive in, help us spread the word, tell your teacher friends, tell your school, your child's school, and let us continue the exciting momentum of this regeneration movement. Cheers.